Hey there! In today's video, we're going to show you how to remove background noise in Canva. So let's dive right in. If your video has a voiceover you want to keep, muting everything isn't an option. This is where the Enhance Voice feature comes in. This AI-powered tool can help to reduce background noise while keeping your voice clear. Open Canva and start a new design project. You can choose from a variety of video templates or create a custom design from scratch. Click the Upload button from the left sidebar. Click the Upload Files button. Then, select your video file from your computer. The video will upload to Canva and appear on your editing canvas. With your video uploaded and selected, look for the Audio tab in the editing toolbar. Find the toggle switch for Enhance Voice. Simply turn it on. And that's it. By using these techniques, you can easily remove background noise and create professional-sounding videos in Canva. Thanks for watching.